Greetings from the state capitol in Olympia. I'm Werven, your state representative from Whatcom County's beautiful 42nd District. Many of you have recently opened your property tax statements and you are suffering from sticker shock. At my recent town hall meeting, a senior citizen shared with me her property taxes had increased over $1,000. She's on a fixed income and is concerned about how long she will be able to live in her home. This is wrong. There is clearly tax fatigue among you, our Washington state taxpayers, and it's understandable. No matter how much money the state is collecting from the hardworking taxpayers, it never seems to be enough. Recently, the state revenue forecast projected a surge in unexpected new revenue, which will bring our budget surplus to $2.4 billion. How much money do we have? The majority party could have funded the governor's entire budget proposal, which would have increased spending by $1 billion, provided $1 billion of tax relief for working families, and still had more than a $700 million surplus. Our revenues are more than sufficient to invest in critical government services and provide meaningful tax relief. House Republicans believe it is time to give some of the tax revenues back to you, the citizens of Washington. After all, this money is your hard-earned dollars, and the state has never had so much revenue coming into its coffers. I have co-sponsored a bill that would have provided $1 billion in tax relief for Washington's working families. In fact, all 40 members of the House Republican caucus have signed on to this bill. The bill would uphold the voters' demand for $30 car tabs while ensuring stable funding for roads and transit. It would also eliminate the sales tax on prepared food items sold at the grocery stores and eliminate the sales tax on certain personal necessities. There is plenty of money to consider meaningful property tax reform. In fact, I signed on to 2 bills introduced by Representative Jim Walsh that would have reduced property taxes. Since the revenue forecast was released, the majority party passed their proposed operating budget. Under their proposal, our state budget growth would increase by nearly 75% since 2013. This is unsustainable. Unfortunately, there are no tax cuts in their proposal, and our $30 car tab vote is not honored. Their budget is just more spending. It is disappointing, but I can assure you that I will continue to fight to protect your hard-earned dollars and put money back in your wallets. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.